Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to turn off or how to disable Predictive on Samsung phone keyboard. So to do that, first we can see an example of what I mean about Predictive. For example, when you are writing something here, for example, we can say hello like this. They give you here suggestions and Predictive keyboard to write, as you see here. So if you want to avoid this and avoid this Predictive or suggestions of keyboard, you have just go to this sign of settings. In this window, you will go to this page of general management. After that, here in this page, you'll find this window of Samsung keyboard settings. And here in this page, you'll find this sign, as you see, of Predictive text. You will click here to avoid or to enable, to disable or to turn off Predictive text. So in that way, you cannot be annoying about suggestions of Predictive text on keyboard. So you will click here to turn off it like this. So for example, now when we go, for example, here to notes or to anywhere you want to write something, for example here, if I want to write something on the keyboard, there is no suggestions here. You can write without any Predictive text in this page, for example here. So that's it. That's how you can fix this problem. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video help you, just don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.